Yaystar P-Series phone system now opens SDK for Linkus UC clients, which makes it possible for your third-party applications, like mobile apps and desktop IM tools, to directly obtain access to the call service of Linkus. Therefore, adding soft phone features directly to your app and enabling it to make and receive phone calls through Yaystar P-Series PBX. The Linkus SDK is supported on all P-Series PBX Appliance Edition, Software Edition, and Cloud Edition. Please remember to subscribe to Ultimate Plan to have the Linkus SDK open for you. In the meantime, it is available for different types of platforms, including web browsers, Windows, Mac OS, Android, and iOS. Here we have a list of all features supported with this integration, which means that once integrated, your third-party app will possess all these features. If you're interested in more detailed information to guide you through the development, please go to the description for the integration guide of the corresponding edition and platform. That was all for this one. Hope you guys like it. Need more details? Visit yaystar.com.